Okay, this is how to do a pas de basque. So let's do that. Come on, stay tuned. Hi, this is Cheryl Ale. I am the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I am here teaching you, the dancers and the teachers, to be the very best you can be. This is ballet for everybody. This is what we do. We're going to show you how to do a pas de basque. Turn, then progress to pas de basque en tournant. So pas de basque, pas de basque, pas de basque, pas de basque. You know, it's kind of folkloric. So follow me along, and we'll do our pas de basque. Today, we're going to discuss the pas de basque. And pas de basque comes from the region of Basque, which is interesting because most of our little folkloric dances that we do in all the ballets, all those happy dances, we know about those, teachers, right? If you're watching, those happy, how are those peasants so happy? But anyway, maybe it's because they're doing pas de basque. So here's the step of Basque. Okay, so we're gonna do this, step, step, and. If you break this down, this could be for beginners, right? Teenagers, children, keep them busy. This is what you would do. Okay, so the intermediate piece would be and, two, half, half, step forward. So they would coordinate arms and legs. For children, you're always gonna keep the hands on the hips, right? And they don't really have to stretch that back leg. They're just coordinating, developing the little quarter circle that they're doing. Now, as we advance to advanced and professional, Miss Adriana will do a traveling pas de basque with the arms, ba, 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 or you can bring them all the way up to da, or ba, ba, right? So here we are, different coordinations and different positions. Very nice. And then she could even make it even a happier peasant. So if she wanted to be a really happy peasant, she would be a little bouncier. And there's a balance. And you see this, and you've probably recognized this in many, many ballets. Swan Lake. And almost all the Pas de Basque ballets have this in it. I guess they visited the Basque region a lot. I'd like to hear from you. If you have a problem with this or you're having questions, let me know. Share below, right here in the comments. If this is your first time to the channel, we would love for you to subscribe. If you're subscribed right here, this would be great. I will see you later.